in 1960, the new size car all America has been waiting for, the Ford Falcon. The Ford Falcon, a car conceived, styled, and engineered to outperform and outvalue all competition in the economy car class. Here is the newest of the world's most beautifully proportioned cars, created in the classic tradition of Ford fine car styling. Here is quality and attention to detail you normally expect in the most luxurious of Fords. Yet the low price of the Falcon makes it easier than ever to be a two-Ford family. The Falcon is a big, roomy car inside. Although it's 2 3/4 feet shorter than the regular Ford, it seats 6 people easily, with big car hip room, leg room, shoulder room, and then some. The luggage compartment is a big 23 cubic feet with a spare. The Falcon delivers up to 30 miles a gallon and on regular gas. No 6-cylinder, 6-passenger car ever got so much out of regular fuel. A real economy champ. The Falcon is the world's most experienced new car. As a climax to 3 years of intensive laboratory and track testing, a number of Falcons were driven over every single mile of every known federal highway in the country. The nimble, responsive Falcon has been designed with ample reserve power for any kind of driving, city or country, with safety, comfort, and economy. The Ford Falcon, newest of the new in the wonderful new world of 1960 Ford.